Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christian, and I'm going to be talking to you about team norms. So, I haven't been at work in a while, but usually we have meetings called team huddles 3 times per week. You're expected to arrive to the huddle on time, and at each huddle, one of the members of the team is expected to present. So the huddle normally consists of agents, the manager, assistant manager, and sometimes the assistant vice president and the chief lending officer. The huddle is a time for us to discuss things that are going well, things that we need to change, and to provide maybe like important information. Or we can also discuss like promotions that we have going on since I work in like a lending office at the credit union. Everyone is expected to provide feedback, and if there is a topic that we're voting on, everyone is expected to vote on it. The members of my team are respectful, and we usually don't interrupt. We don't interrupt the presenter. We usually hold all of our questions until the end of the huddle. So far, it's been working well for us as it gives us a chance to know each other more, and it just gives us a chance to discuss concerns and provide valuable information to the group. There's not really anything that I would change with it as of now. Members typically enjoy doing the huddles, but there are some of us who don't like doing the huddles, and some of us who arrive late to the huddles, which is very disrespectful. Although I said that I wouldn't change anything, actually, I take that back. I would make it a penalty for arriving to the huddle late, but that would be the only change that I would make to it.